This topic is called Solving a Quadratic Equation Using the Square Root Property, Exact Answers. And this is a basic introduction to this. So when we are given x squared equals 20, in order to find the solution, we need to take the square root of it, both sides. But when we take the square root of both sides, we need the positive and negative answer. So we have plus or minus square root of 20. I like to write 20 as 4 times 5, which is 2 times 2 times 5. And that means we have 2 square roots of 5. And we need the positive and the negative answer. They don't give us a plus minus sign, so we're going to have to write out 2 root 5 and negative 2. Oopsies, back up, back up. Don't forget to put 2 root 5, and then you got to come over, then put your comma, and say negative 2 root 5. These are the exact answers. They're not estimated, which is what you would get if you plugged it in your calculator and got decimals. So we're going to do the same thing. X squared equals 96. So we need to take the square root of both sides, which means we need the positive and negative square root of 96. So 96 is, what is that? 48 times 2. 48 is 6 times 8. 6 is 3 times 2. And 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this as plus or minus square root of, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's together, which is 32, and a 3. So our doubles, we can take out 2 times 2. So we have plus or minus 4 square root of 6. So the 2 2's that we brought out multiplied to get 4, and the 2 and the 3 stayed inside, and we multiplied to get 6. So our answer is positive 4 square roots of 6. And then we got to move our cursor over. And then we also need the negative 4 square root of 6. Let's do one more. Well, there you go. We cannot square a number and get a negative. We cannot square a real number and get a negative 45 is our answer. And that's the end of the lesson.